Hey guys, it's Emerald the Creative Gem, back with another video. Today I'm going to do a quick Amazon haul with a few items that I purchased the other day. I got a nude widescreen lens for my phone, a tripod, and some wool hair. Let's get started with the unboxing. So the first item is Brazilian wool hair. So this came in a 5-pack and I got the colors black and brown. Next is the RovTop HD wide lens for my Samsung Galaxy 8 phone. And finally is this flexible tripod. I'm going to go ahead and open the first box, which is the flexible tripod. This flexible tripod is by UBeesize, I think it's UBeesize, and it comes with a Bluetooth remote shutter. Super handy. It was only $18.12, which is pretty decent, for the price point, and very budget friendly.
Why don't you shut the blinds right quick so I could doze off, maybe die like this. I need nothing but good looks.
It's compatible for iPhones and Samsung phones, and also comes with 2 other attachments to mount a camera or a GoPro. For now though, I'm going to be only using the phone mount. The head of the tripod is pretty flexible. It can be moved left, right, front to back, and whatever position is good. There's a tightening mechanism right here that I can turn and make it pretty sturdy. And like I said before, the flexible head on the top, as you can see, the phone mount, it makes it compatible for Samsung phones and iPhones. So the best thing that came with this tripod is the Bluetooth shutter remote. It was so easy to set up. I turned it on, turned my Bluetooth on, and then boom, the device popped right up. I definitely gave this product a thumbs up. Next is the RovTop HD wide lens. So this easily attaches to the front of my phone's camera lens, and let me tell you guys, this is awesome. In a little bit, I'm going to show you all the parts and how my videos turned out using the lens. It came with a case, lanyard, and some other accessories, and all this was just $10.99. The lens is adjustable, and it can slide up and down on this little clip. Okay, so here's the lens in action. I'm going to show you before and after videos of how the lens enhanced each video. The lens, by the way, is 16 mm, and the springy clip easily attaches to the phone. You're going to see a small snippet of me clipping on the phone. Like I said, it's super easy, but you may have to adjust it depending on what kind of phone you have. Like I said earlier, it comes with a cute travel case that I can keep all the parts safe and snug. I think I'm going to use the smaller compartment to store the Bluetooth remote from that other item that I had, and maybe also to store a small micro SD card. I'm pretty happy with this product, and it's definitely $11 well spent. Okay, so the final goodie on this mini Amazon haul is Brazilian yarn wool hair. This wool hair is 100% acrylic, and it's like yarn, but it's softer and more fine. I'm going to be using this as an alternative to using human hair. It's cheaper, and it's 5 packs, I believe, $12 to like $15 range. So yeah, it's pretty affordable. I got the colors black and brown because I wasn't sure like which color would match my hair more, but it turned out the black. But I also want to use the brown to maybe incorporate some type of highlight into my hair. I'm definitely going to film how I'm going to use these two products, and hopefully all goes well.
Pass me a tab, I could fry like this. Thoughts of the past, thought I highlight shit. My life's when the sunset, twilight shit. I ain't moving, I'm a lie like this. The rays bright all up in my eyes like shit.
Alright, so that concludes my mini Amazon haul. I cannot wait to use these items, and I'm definitely going to show them in future videos. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification right over there. And as always, stay safe, wash your hands, and stay home. Even if you're in the yellow zone, stay home. Okay? Until next time, guys. Bye.